Next stop, Clayton Street West for Central Station.
Chinese for a few ideas for Christmas and stuff, you know what I mean? So, yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Alright then. Christmas shopping bag, booking bag. If we land with you at, oh god, it'll be about quarter to 10. Give us a down walk. Oh, amazing. Yeah, it'll be about quarter to 10. But yeah, it's just, we've got that luxury. The thought of actually moving up that back is beyond me. So, is that alright? Well, it might not be quarter to 10 on the dot, but maybe that it. Yeah. Alright, cheers. Oh god, yeah. We've been Christmas shopping.
Yeah.
Oh god, yeah. Wow. Wow. Yeah, we're on the bus back into Newcastle and then there's a bus to go to Middlesbrough. So, I'm on that, and then Middlesbrough went back to here, yeah. But it's a lot easier to get off at yours and walk to yours than it is to get off in the town and walk all the way back home. So, yeah, we'll just turn up and then if you jump us out, that would be much appreciated. Thanks, Dad. Alrighty, okay. Catch you later.
What about the sounds of these kids left out?
I wasn't gonna look first because they came down here again.
Been what?
They had down here again last night. So I wasn't gonna, but then you can come on the boat now. I was like, how do you do it? I think they're alright now. I've just said, we get off and put the yards all
Sort everything out.
Yeah. Maybe like light on the box.
Didn't.
No, I didn't.
Neither did I. Oh well. I'll be fine. Hopefully.
This is the Red Kite X45 service to Newcastle.
Sneeze.
Yeah.
Next stop, Newgate Street, The Gate.
Newcastle on the Saturday night just started. Yeah. It's gonna be fun by 2 in the morning. some skirt holes, knees and cloak at the same time. Then cloak. This thing's got a skirt maybe.